Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss about Jen Sincero's book, You Are a Badass at Making Money. This book explores the parallels between money and sex, emphasizing the need for the right mindset to shift from repelling money to attracting abundance. The book offers 5 key takeaways to help individuals become money-making badasses. Takeaway 1, money is awesome. Sincero emphasizes the importance of having a positive attitude toward money, rejecting the notion that money is the root of all evil. She encourages readers to understand that money is a tool that can enable them to lead fulfilling lives and make a positive impact on others. Embracing money and its potential for good is a key step. Takeaway 2, watch your thoughts and words. The book highlights the significance of one's beliefs and self-talk. Negative thoughts and limiting beliefs can hinder progress. Sincero encourages readers to replace self-deprecating thoughts with positive affirmations, much like Jim Carrey's practice of envisioning success and writing a future check to himself. Takeaway 3, take a leap of faith. Sincero suggests that stepping out of one's comfort zone is essential for achieving financial success. Overcoming fear and taking calculated risks are key components of this journey. Additionally, investing in personal growth, such as coaching, can help accelerate progress. Takeaway 4, surround yourself with the right people. And the book underscores the importance of one's environment and the people they surround themselves with. Being in the company of individuals who inspire, motivate, and support one's goals can be transformational. Sometimes it may be necessary to distance oneself from those with negative attitudes toward money. Takeaway 5, chunk your task into bite sizes. Sincero advises breaking down ambitious goals into smaller, manageable tasks with specific deadlines. This approach creates a sense of urgency and makes long-term objectives more attainable. The concept is akin to dividing a daunting climb into manageable steps. It's exemplified by mountaineer Joe Simpson. In summary, You Are a Badass at Making Money by Jen Sincero encourages readers to develop a positive attitude toward money, watch their thoughts and words, take risks, surround themselves with supportive individuals, and break down their goals into manageable steps. These principles aim to empower individuals to become money-making badasses who can lead prosperous and fulfilling lives. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel.